Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL One X and let me show you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app. And as you can see here, we've got the timer option. Now it is off because the device is taking photos right away after touching the shutter button. In order to set the timer, simply tap on this icon. And as you can see here, we've got some options to choose from. You can set either 2, 5 or 8 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 8 seconds. And as you can see, it is immediately applied. Now let's tap on the shutter button. And from now on, this device will count down from 8. And after that time, it will take a photo. Okay, the same situation will be with, for example, maybe 2 seconds. Let's tap on it. And the same situation, but it was counting down from 2. In order to turn it off, just tap on this icon and find the off icon and tap on it. And as you can see, it just got back to its normal state. So that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your ALCATEL One X. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.